Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So this is a different landing leg stabilization kit, and I myself haven't seen this one so far. It's newer looking to me, but I just wanted to show you, this basically, there's a lot of these different ones out there. There's some that do the X cross in the front. There's some that bolt into the I-beam and shoot down like this. This one actually has just got a two-sided. So it's kind of cool. I'll see if I can get some more info off of it. Maybe try to Google picture it and figure out what brand it is, but I haven't seen one like this. Looks like they welded or bolted a nut through the bottom of the foot. And so I'm assuming somebody did that for them because the feet look identical. And then they also got the pin kit too, so which is nice. But these do make a huge difference on stabilization. So the whole side to side and even front to back. If you don't have one, or if you have this style in legs, it's something you might want to look into. There's a bunch of them out there. Typically the ones we put on are the JT Strong Arms, and then the BAL makes some, and then there's a couple other brand names. I think Strongbow Carlson makes some as well, but I'm not sure who this brand is. But anyways, hopefully this video helps you, helps guide you. This is something whether this brand or a different brand, I highly recommend them. It makes a huge difference. So if you're looking to do a cheap upgrade yourself, or if you can't do it, you need a shop to do it, it just takes a lot of the sway and back and forth movement out of the front of the coaches when you're walking in them. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. This is Dustin, your RV specialist.